Hi guys, this is the Java series. In the last session, we have discussed about the abstract class to achieve the abstraction. In this session, we will discuss about the interface. What is interface? An interface that is used to group related methods with empty bodies. So what are the usage of interface? It is used to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java language. Okay, it cannot be instantiated just like the abstract class. So what is the syntax? Interface is the keyword and then the name of the interface, and inside the curly braces we declare the methods. Okay, that abstract by default. Abstract method means it does not have any implementation details. The relationship between classes and interface. One class extends the another class, one interface extends the another interface. But the relationship between interface and the class, we have to use only the implements keyword. So if we want to inherit in between the classes, we have to use the extends keyword, and in between the interfaces also we have to use the extends keyword, but class with interface we have to use the implements keyword. So let's see this example. Here I have created the printable interface. Inside this printable interface I have declared the print method. So this is the abstract method. That means it does not have any implementation details. Okay, and I have created the class test interface 1 and implements keyword I have used because printable is not the class, this is the interface. So the test interface 1 inherits all the properties and behaviors from the printable interface. Okay, and inside the printable interface we have the print method. So this print method does not have any implementation details. Here inside the test interface 1 class only we have the implementation details for this print method. This is from the printable interface. Got it? And inside the test interface 1 I have the main method. So my file name must be same as this class name only. And execution starts only from the main method. Okay, I have created the object obj for test interface 1 class. Okay, and here I call the print method using this obj. That is the name of the object. So what will happen? The control jumps from the 16th line to the 8th line. So hello will be printed on our console. Let me execute this one. Here we got the output hello. Okay, so what is interface? Interface that is used to group the related methods with empty bodies. I hope you all understood about what is interface. So we know already what is abstraction. So abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation details and showing only the functionality to the user. Okay, so here we can achieve the abstraction with the help of the interface, because inside the interface we have the abstract method only. Abstract method means it does not have any implementation details. Is it clear? Okay, here we have one more example. I have created two interfaces here, print and show. Inside the print interface I have the method declaration part, print, and inside the show interface I have the abstract method, that is it does not have any implementation details. And here I have created the test multiple inheritance. This is the name of the class, and I implement print and show interfaces. Okay, what structure is this? This is the multiple inheritance type. Okay, so single child, more than one parent. Okay, print is the parent, show is also the parent for this class. Okay, this is the class and print and show are the interfaces. That's why we have used the implements keyword instead of the extends keyword. Okay, and here we have the single child, more than one parent. So this type is the multiple inheritance type. Okay, so this child inherits all the properties from print as well as the show interfaces. Okay, here we have the implementation details for the print. This print is from the print interface. Okay, I simply print the hello on my console. Okay, and this is the show method. This is from the show interface. Here only we have the implementation details. Inside the show we didn't have any implementation details. Okay, and this show method is used to print the welcome on my console. Got it? And main. Inside this class only we have the main method. So my file name should be same as this class name only. Execution starts only from the main method. I have created the object for print interface and then the object for show interface. Okay, so interface also cannot be instantiated like the abstract class. That's why we have the child class name here. Okay, and here using this object I call the print method, and using this object I call the show method. Okay, this is the object of the print interface and object 1 is the object of the show interface. So what will happen after encounter this line? The control jumps from the 27th line to the 14th line. Here we have the hello. So this statement will be printed on my console, and again the control jumps back to the 28th line. Here we have the show method. So the control again jumps from the 28th line to the 18th line. Here we have the welcome statement. So this welcome will be printed on our console. Got it? And then again the control jumps back to the 29th line. The program is finished. Let me execute this one. Here hello is the output for this statement, that is this one. Okay, and this is the output for the 28th statement, that is the welcome. We got welcome. Got it? So in this example we have implemented the multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means a single children more than one parent. Children is the class, parents or the interface. Okay, that's why we have used the implements keyword in between the class and interface. Okay, I hope you all understood about how the interface is used to achieve the multiple inheritance in Java language. And we have another example. Here I have created the interface parent. Inside this parent interface I have the abstract method, and I have created one more interface, a single int, and inside this interface I have disp child. This is also does not have any implementation details. Okay, and here I have created the third interface, single int2. Okay, here I have used the extends keyword. Why? Because this is the interface and this parent and single int also interfaces. That's why we have used the extends keyword. Okay, so if we want to inherit interface with interface means we can use the extends keyword. Okay, and inside this single int2 I have the disp child2 method declaration part. Okay, this is the abstract method only. It does not have any implementation details here. And here I have created the class. Okay, single inter. This is the name of the class. Inside this class only I have the main method. So my file name must be same as this class name. Okay, and here I have used the implements keyword. Why? Because this is the class, but this is the interface only, isn't it? If we want to inherit class with interface means we have to use the implements keyword, not extends keyword. Keep in mind. Okay, and inside this class I have the implementation details for disp child and disp child2 and display parent. Okay, here inside the interface parent I have only the abstract method. Single int I have only the abstract method, and inside the single int2 also I have the abstract method. Okay, here only I have the implementation details of disp child2 and the display parent. So what is the role of this dispChild? It is used to print I am a child 1 interface. And what is the role of the dispChild2 method? It is used to print I am a child 2 interface on my console. And what is the role of the displayParent? It is used to print I am a parent interface on my console. Okay, and here I have created the object for the class single inter. Okay, and I have used the object of this single inter class to call displayParent, dispChild and dispChild2. After encounter this 34th statement, the control jumps from the 34th line to the 27th line. And this statement will be printed on my console. And then the control again jumps back to the 35th line. Here we have dispChild. So the control again jumps from the 35th line to the 19th line. So I am a child 1 interface will be printed on my console. Again the control jumps back to 36th line. Here we have the dispChild2 call statement. So the control again jumps from 36th line to the 23rd line. I am a child 2 interface will be printed on my console. Got it? I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Let me execute this one. Okay. So execution starts only from the main method. This statement is the output for this 34th statement. And this is the output for 35th statement. And this is the output for the 36th statement. Okay, so we have completed the interface. So in Java, abstraction can be done using two concepts. First one is the abstract class and the second one is the interface. Okay, and interface is also used to achieve the multiple inheritance in Java language. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.